Hello, it's Mike List, and here is some video of the corn harvest demonstrations at the 2017 Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois. The Farm Progress Show ran from August 29th through the 31st on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Every day at 11 o'clock they had demonstrations out in the field of combines shelling corn or harvesting corn, along with tractors and grain carts running beside them. The John Deere 780 combine you see running here in the video was a few days before the show. They were getting the fields opened up where the field demos would be, and they let the manufacturers come out and they can shell these end rows off and open up the fields, get their combine set for the show. This corn was planted on April 12th, 13th, and 14th, and it was a 94-day corn, and as you see it right here, it was testing between 28 to 32% moisture. I had just uploaded a video from the Farm Progress Show of us setting up the show, and when I left on the Thursday night before the show is when I caught these combines out in the field. So I got to see the John Deere 780, this Kloss Lexion, a Massey Fergus with a Harvest Tech head, and a little bit of Case International. This is also the first time I've seen the Tribine in person, and I also got to catch it running in the field as he was setting it up for the show. Everything you see here for the first 4 minutes of this video is just the combine manufacturers getting their combine set. At the 4-minute mark will be the actual field demos that were on Tuesday, August 29th, starting at 11 a.m. The crowd gathers out to watch these combines run, and they have a rope so you cannot get in danger of the combines. And each manufacturer will pull their combine up and give a short speech about their machine. Then they will go the length of the field. After he has completed his pass, then the second combine will pull up. He'll give a little talk about that machine, and he'll go too. Once every combine has gone once, then when the combine comes back in for the second time, they can have their tractor and grain cart beside them and unload on the go for the demo. So starting at the 4-minute mark is when I started recording that, and you will just see the combine and the tractor and grain cart unloading on the go. You may have seen some videos from years past on my YouTube channel from the Farm Progress Show as we ran the Versatile Combine and I ran the tractor and grain cart. However, I was doing the tillage demos this year and did not get out here to run the tractor or grain cart in these field demos this year. Normally, a farmer would not plant 94-day corn in central Illinois. This corn was planted specifically for this show, so it is ready for the end of August. There has been some years where we have not had a real warm summer, or the proper heat units in the corn. Even the 94-day corn was not ready for the show, and they have to cancel the field demos. For many years, the Farm Progress Show used to be the last week of September, and you never had to worry about crops not being ready. However, farmers were busy with their own fields at that time, and they felt that hurt the attendance, so they moved it to the last week of August. And so far, for the most part, this 94-day corn has been working out, as this show changes every other year between Boone, Iowa, and Decatur, Illinois. And here comes the Tribine. This was the day before the show, and this field they are taking off here was going to be a parking lot. So they were trying to put this field off to the last minute, because you can see this corn is pretty green, and this was in the 35% moisture bracket. So they were trying to give it every day they could, but they did get it off and got in here with the tractor and stalk shredder, got it shredded down, turned it into a parking lot for the show. Okay, and here is the first day of the show, Tuesday morning, August 29th, 11 a.m., or it's about 11:30 now. Everyone's made their first pass, so this is the second pass where they can run the tractor and grain cart beside them. And I am going to quit talking about the video now and let you just listen to the tractors and combines as they go by. And also, you see a little spot there. It looks like my camera could have used a cleaning, but it's too late to go back and shoot it over, so this is what I got. This is what I have to use. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. just have to say one more thing. I don't care what brand of tractor you like. This Challenger 1050 with those big tires on it, put to that Balzer triaxle grain cart, just looks pretty impressive. And that is going to wrap up the first day of the harvest demos at the 2017 Farm Progress Show. Stay tuned. I will have one of the tillage equipment coming up in the next couple of days. Again, thanks for watching.